2006 Mariner. Room for 5 passengers, tight responsive handling, 6 standard airbags, and savvy functionality are all part of the stylish and powerful Mariner. Mariner's electric power steering is powered by an electric motor, improving steering feel at low speeds, providing precise steering on the highway and helping improve fuel economy, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, keyless entry, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, fog lamps, child safety locks, bucket seats, passenger airbag, power windows, CD player, MP3 player, power door locks. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.